Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig that was sent to me from Sogoodhair. I'll have all of their information, the promo code, and direct links down below in the description box. When I opened up my package, I received my wig, of course. I also received a wig cap, eyelashes, a tweezer, earrings, an elastic band with additional wig combs, a headscarf, as well as a hair bonnet. The wig that I received is a 14-inch bob. It's 150% density, a medium cap size, 13x6 lace frontal wig. Taking the wig straight out of the package, the first thing that I notice is how natural the hairline looks. It is a gradual density, so you do have thinner knots in the front that gradually fades out into a thicker density. They did a really good job at making the hairline as thin as possible so that you do not have to do that much work if you decide to pluck the hair. The hair quality is extremely soft and it does flow really well. This wig does have a fake scalp as well as an additional elastic band sewed onto the wig, and it does have something called piano keys, which allows you to fully adjust it and have a custom fit. This wig does also have 3 combs and an adjustable strap in the back as well. So here's how the wig looks with no customizations at all. It's pretty natural looking. If you are a beginner, I think that this would be a great starter wig for you because most of the work is already done, and because it has that fake scalp, you don't have to do much to the hairline or the parting space. So the first thing that I'm going to do is the beige method of zigzag parting to pluck away some more density from the hairline. As you can see, it does have a gradual density and there is a line of demarcation where the hairline is because there is a fake scalp underneath. Because there is a fake scalp underneath, you want to be mindful while plucking not to over pluck because you will be able to clearly see that fake scalp when you have the wig on your head. Plucking the hairline of your frontal or your lace wig is always optional. It's not required. I like to take the extra step to do it because as opposed to getting a wig and installing it on your head straight out of the package, I feel like when you do take the extra step to customize a hairline, it looks a lot more natural when you install it onto your head. So I'm just going to breeze through this part because I know that you are already a pro at doing the beige method. So I'm just going to show you guys the before and after. I am going to go for some peekaboo highlights and pops of color throughout this wig. I am grabbing my Agora Royal by Schwarzkopf 6-5 dye, and this is in the color dark golden blonde, which is going to come out more of a chocolate chestnut color. I'm going to be doing the weaving technique to create beautiful highlights throughout this wig, and I'm going to be very careful with the color placement because I want to have peekaboos of color. I am going to take small sections of hair, take my time to do that weaving technique, apply the dye to the strands of hair that I leave out, and then I am going to allow it to fully incubate and process in hair foil. Okay, so here are the results after washing and deep conditioning the hair. It's such a gorgeous color. Perfect, perfect, perfect for fall. I love the color placement. Depending on how you part the wig would be if you see more or less of the color. We are going for a asymmetric long on one side, short on the other side bob, and we're going for more of that pop of color where the longer side is. You're going to see the color a lot more on that side. So you can call this haircut an inverted bob. You can call it a wedge cut. You can call it an A-line bob. You can call it an asymmetric cut. There are so many different names for it, but the back is going to be shorter. One side of the wig is going to be shorter than the other side. And the reason why I got 14 inches is so that I can have an exaggerated long lob type of look on one side. So this is the fun part. This is what I enjoy doing. I love cutting bobs. I love cutting hair. I'm just going to grab my shears as well as my razor comb, and I'm just going to take my time starting at the back first, and I'm going to work my way around, making sure that it is strategically cut so that it can have a shape. I'm going to work on this shape, and I'm going to come back and show you guys the final results. So when I get to the front, I want that part to have wispy layers. So I am going to part it diagonally, and then I'm going to grab my feather razor comb, and I'm just going to create those wispy layers. Still not done cutting and finalizing and perfecting this haircut, but I do want to show you the progress of it. I love, love, love the shape of it. I am going to go through and make it a little bit shorter in the back and also create more of those wispy layers. And I'm also going to grab a pair of thinning shears and just thin out the bottom just to get rid of some of that extra weight down there. Just, you know, so that my bob can be light and flowy and wispy. All right, so now I'm just going to grab BioSilk's Silk Therapy. This is going to be a light oil for the hair so that it can have that healthy shine. And I am going to grab my flat iron and just flat iron through this hair. Okay, so now that we're finished styling the wig, it's now time to install it. I'm going to grab the wig and that elastic band that is on the wig. I am going to place the elastic band on first, and then I am going to position the wig into the proper placement, making sure that all of the combs are lined up. Then I'm going to grab a pair of scissors. I'm going to make 2 slices in the extra lace, which is going to create 3 different sections. I'm going to grab the left and right section of the wig where that lace is. I'm going to pin both of those sides back, and then I am going to pull the wig backwards. This is going to expose my hairline, grabbing the Got2b Ultra Glue Gel in the black tube, as well as Got2b Ultra Glue Gel in the spray bottle. I'm going to first apply one thin layer of gel on my hairline and then blow dry it. When it becomes tacky, I'm going to grab that Got to Be Free spray and I'm going to apply a thin layer of that on top of that gel. Then I'm going to blow dry it again. I'm going to grab the extra lace of the Frontal, place it over my hairline, and then I'm going to grab the back of a comb to press that lace into the gel. I'm going to repeat the same steps on the left and right sides of this Frontal, and then I am going to put my headscarf on, allow it to set. Then I'm going to come back after it's fully set, and I'm going to use scissors or an eyebrow razor to cut along the hairline and remove that extra lace. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll have all of the information down below in the description box. Don't forget to check down below and use that promo code down there to save some money off. This hair is gorgeous. The frontal portion of this wig is beautiful. I love, love, love this, especially for the fall and upcoming winter months. What do you think about the color? How do you feel about the cut? Let's chat down below in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below and turn on the post notification bell if you have not already. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Little. It's beige, yeah, that's right. It's beige,